Okay, so today we're just going to make some peanut butter dog treats for Hannah Banana because she likes them. So she might be over here sniffing, standing up on the edge. I don't put it past her. Anyway, so first of all, we have 2 cups. It's supposed to be whole wheat flour, but I don't have any, so we're using unbleached flour. So we're going to put that in. These are very simple to make. There's nothing to them, but I just thought I'd share it. Then we're going to put in our eggs, 2 eggs. And we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And we are going to start to mix this. Yay, I got the wrong bowl, I believe. But I should have had a bigger bowl. Ooh. Leave it to me. Well, we'll get it mixed up. I got some new little cutouts too I wanted to use to make these with. Now, as you see, it's going to be very dry. But then they tell you to go ahead and add water as needed. This is somebody else's recipe. I'm just making them. I use a little bit, I do something a little different than they do though. They have 0 sugar in theirs because, you know, there is a little bit in your peanut butter. You just got to make sure there's no artificial sweeteners in your peanut butter. Like xylitol or I didn't put on an apron and I will be white from here down. Okay, before I add water, I'm going to go ahead and add my honey. Now I just do a couple tablespoons full because Hannah really likes it. Probably shouldn't give it to her too much, but she has got a bad thing where she is like hooked on sweets. And so I'm trying to, you know, tone that down just a bit with her own treats. And I forgot something, so I'll be right back. Okay, well, we'll just finish like this. Hopefully they can hear me. I forgot my mic, and now I don't know where I put it. Well, I know where it was, but it's not there anymore. Okay, so it says to add water just like a tablespoon at a time till you get it crumbly, but it'll form into a ball. And that's 1/4 cup of water that I've got in the cup, just so you know that if you use it all, you've used 1/4. Sheesh, seems like it's never going to get there. It's getting there. Just takes a little bit of doing. Should have got a bigger bowl. And make it a mess. There we go. Much better. Okay, I've used the whole 1/4 cup. Okay, I'm actually adding probably another teaspoon. There we go. got my mat out. I hope this is still not too dry. All right. Okay. So we're going to roll this out. So it's probably, I don't know, probably a 1/4 inch. Okay, I think we're close enough. Alright, these are the little cutouts I got. I found those at Dollar General. Ooh, we got a clover. Cute. Pressure flowered it. Okay. We'll do a few clovers. I've made these for Hannah before, and she absolutely loves them. Okay, there's some clovers. What else do we have? Flower petals, I guess. Weird looking star. Oh, no, this isn't a star. It's just a looking shape. Teardrop. Looks like a teardrop anyway. New hearts. Okay, so my oven is preheating to, oh, don't want that. 350. These are cute. Hey, Hannah. You want one? Nah. Let me wait until they're cooked. Now these don't spread out much, maybe a little, but they stay pretty small. Okay, we'll bake these for about 15 minutes and then we'll get them out. So they are done. Oh crap. I'll put it on that. Still hot. But they just, that's how they turn out. They're just cute as they can be. See, one side's brown. And I just put them in a baggie. And she has them every now and then. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. I forgot to let you know if Hannah liked them or not. So give me a second. She's not going to come to me. I'm going to have to go to her. But I got two of them. Let's see what she says. Hey, Hannah. Hannah approved.